Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to share this video with you on my first few days at university studying in London. So this is a short vlog of a few days in my life right at the start of semester one. So I'm commuting to uni, I'm not staying in accommodation. So I went to the train station to get on to the train. Late as usual. It's never a normal uni day without being late for the train because I had to drop a postal baked goods present for my friend who's studying further away. So I sent her some treats for her birthday. And then I got on the train and I read a book, When Breath Becomes Air, and I read the first chapter of it and had a nice soggy samosa at the same time while enjoying the views of London. And I got off at London Bridge where the smell of Gail's Bakery is absolutely tempting and amazing. And I had a sample tea from Wittard's, which is my go-to for most mornings. I try not to do it too much to get a sample of a hot drink because it's so nice to have in the morning. I switched to the underground and got the underground to my stop to go to uni. So we had introductory lecture at the start, and after that I headed to the library where we went to during the tour, but I wanted to have a look myself, and I found some of the textbooks that the university had advised that we read or have a look at, but they were way too heavy for me to borrow and take home. So I borrowed another book that I wanted to do some kind of extracurricular reading on out of interest and headed home. The following day I had a bit of a later start. I started at 11, so I had time to make myself breakfast, and I had some Weetabix with soy milk, strawberries, bananas and blueberries. It's not very often I get a nice breakfast in like that. Otherwise, it's normally on the go. And then this morning we had a lecture on practicals and equipment we use for an introduction to that. And then I had a quick 5-minute break where I went off to the Pret, which is just down the hall, and had a sip of water there. And then went straight into our next lecture, which was our first content lecture on cells, and it was mainly A-level content with a few new concepts, but it was exciting because it was the first lecture I had in uni actually learning content that we could possibly be tested on. So I was just trying out different note-taking styles, and what I've done is written the learning objectives and put them onto a spreadsheet to kind of gather over time. And then we had a lunch break, so I went off to the high street nearby and got some Starbucks because it was Tuesday and Uni Days has a £2 Starbucks hot drink every Tuesday. So I headed off, got some Starbucks and went back to uni. Did a bit of work, just wrote up some notes. After we had our Explorers module, which is some group work where we had to research the history of vaccines together to kind of get us to work together in groups, we went off to the Health and Medical Sciences meet and greet, which had a few different activities going on. They had badge making, cupcake decorating, coaster decorating, and they had freebies and sweets, and they also had free pizza as well. So I stayed for a bit of that because it was at 5:30, so it wasn't too late, so I could stay around before it getting too late to get back home. And I had a private online tuition in the evening as well straight after that, so I decided to use the library study pods to do the lesson, which was my first time using them, and it was quite fun to use. But they were quite good because they were soundproofed and it was nice. I'll probably be going back there to study sometime soon. Then I headed home. It was a bit late and I had to go to M&S because they have such a variety of Percy pigs and Colin the caterpillars, which are all vegan. And don't ask me what I'm going on about them, but they have such interesting versions of them. They had baby Percys, they had reversey Percys, they had mini pigtails, and I'd never seen these before. So I grabbed a reversey Percy for this week and I was going to return the following week for a different one. And I got a bit lost on the way back because that's just part of traveling for me. And that meant I ended up having quite a few of the reversey Percy sweets. My friend's baked goods also reached her accommodation. Those were cookie bars with Biscoff, mixed chocolate and Oreo and Nutella. So those arrived at accommodation and I managed to make it home. And that was the end of that short week at uni because I only had 2 days in uni that week. If you're still watching, thank you so much for staying and I hope you enjoyed this video.